Hello everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. I have a super cute craft, very unique. So I'm using 3 of these bicycle wheel wreaths from Dollar Tree. And then I don't know exactly how many of the crosses we're going to need. I'm thinking 3, but we'll see as we go. You'll also need a basket. We're making a tricycle. You're going to need a basket to use as the seat, and I wanted to put a basket up front like on the handlebars. So I couldn't find black baskets that would match the wreath forms. So I bought gold ones that they had at the Dollar Tree that were the sizes that I thought would be good for this. And I spray painted them black. I've got them sitting outside now drying. Then you're also going to need some cable ties. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of our crosses, and you're going to just turn it around like this. And you're going to cable tie a wheel to each side of the cross. Whoops. And have it where it's, rounded up like that. You don't want it upside down like I had it to begin with. Do your cable tie where it's going to be like on the inside. It'll be easier to hide that way. So just put a cable tie through the wheel and the cross, and then pull it. Get it as tight as you can get it. You want it tight. Tight, tight. Okay, so see how I have that? Well, it'll actually be like that, but. And I did it in the center of the cross. Okay, now we're going to take the next wheel and do the same thing. I think I may even put a second one through here, just to give it a little more stability. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And just pull it as tight as you can get it. Okay. So that's our back wheels. You see? And then our seat. I have a basket for the seat. I'll zip tie it right here in between these 2 tires, and that'll give it some more stability too. And then of course once we get the front tire on it, it'll have some more stability. Okay, so you want to kind of bend this where it goes up a little bit, I think. Yeah. And then we're going to zip tie the wheel, the front wheel on. See how I did that? And I think I'll do one more up here. And I'm going to put some more on the back wheels too, to give them some more stability. So zip ties are going to be your friend. Let me figure out where else to zip tie. Okay. Oh yeah, that made a huge difference. So see what I did was I went outside the circle and put one there. That made a big difference. So I'm going to do that on both sides. Like I said, zip ties are your friend on this, because you want it to stay together. Oh, look at that, y'all. Look, that is so cute. Then I'm going to take another one, and I'm going to make the handlebars out of it. Let me decide how I'm going to do this. If I need to just snip this off, or let's see. Okay. See how I just folded that top part of the cross down? And I'm just going to zip tie it. So that it stays down. I'm going to put one on each side to make sure it stays the way we want it. Y'all, this is really much easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay. And then I'm going to kind of bend it up. And these wreath forms bend very easily, so that's good. And then I'm just going to take some more of my zip ties and zip tie this one to that. So you only needed 2 wreath forms and 2 or 3 wheels. And then I'm doing a basket for the seat and a basket for the top, like in front of the handlebar. And I'm gonna cut all the excess from these cable ties off. Okay, let me show you what I did with these baskets. So they were gold Dollar Tree baskets. I spray painted them black. And then I just sprayed some adhesive on them, some spray adhesive, and sprinkled cinnamon on them to give them that rusted look. You see how I did that? And I'm going to do the whole tricycle that way once I get these baskets on it. So I'm just going to take my zip ties and zip tie the basket to it. And I'm just using my zip ties to do this, y'all. Okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to spray this with some spray adhesive. And sprinkle it with some cinnamon. And I just buy the Dollar Tree cinnamon. I think it's adorable, and out of all Dollar Tree supplies, I mean, can you believe it? So, anyway, I love you guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.